Hey everybody, Mark here. And as you remember, probably about 5 days ago, I went to a yard sale and got some pretty cool Lego trains here. Of course, not that one there in the middle, but that Maersk and this freight train here. But after building everything, I needed about 30 pieces. So you can see where I'm at. And actually, I need 2 more pieces here. I need 2 1x2 tiles to finish off that truck, but I do need a motor. The motor I had didn't come with a battery or even a controller, so I went out and purchased that, and that's what I got here just in the mail. And this is 88011, and that is the engine motor or train motor, 4 wheels, some sticks. Or actually, those are axles, not sticks. Get this open. There we go. All right, there's the engine motor. And then next is 88010, and that is the controller. And then the last piece I needed, 88009, and that is the battery. All right. It's a beautiful engine. Now I just need to take this apart and put everything together, and I'll be back with you. All right, I'm going to try my hand at stop motion here. Hopefully this turns out fairly good, but just taking all the parts there. As you can see, the instruction book behind me there. See the little guys helping out. I had to put 6 batteries in the battery pack there, and then 4 batteries in the controller. Hooked everything up, got everything put back together, and down the track it went. Okay, my finished product. I linked everything up, so I hope I did everything right. So let's hit the old plus button, see what happens. Oh, nice. There we go, my first Lego train. Or actually like my third, but the first one that I've built. All right, let's stop this and pick up some cars. Hit the old switch there. This could be interesting. I've already knocked everything off, so I'm just gonna move the train to it for now. Throw the switch. Oh, my guy fell down. I don't want to have this thing go too fast and fall off the table, but we'll speed it up a little bit. And there you go, the Maersk Lego train set. Now to build some more. Well, everybody, what do you think of my first Lego train set? Not a bad set to start off with, that Maersk. But anything I should do or shouldn't do, just leave a comment below. I would appreciate it. Like I said, this is my first Lego train, so long way to go compared to what I see on the internet, but I'm in no hurry. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rails.